Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about fix Fortnite. The install version of the AMD graphic device has known issue in D3D12. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So the install version of the AMD graphic device has known issue in D3D12. So you need to follow some guideline for make it ensure the compatibility with DirectX 12. So that for reason we are going to discuss some step in this video. So first of all, you can see how we can fix our AMD graphic drivers D3D12 error in Fortnite. So for that reason you need to go into AMD and just go over here. Now you need to click on Windows in the button keyboard, Windows into X. Just click over here. Now you can see expand display adapters. Here you will find out AMD power section. So here you need to right click on your AMD graphic device card and select uninstall. So here you can see this and you will find out AMD. Here you can see if you click over here, then you will have the option for uninstall. Once you uninstall this, you will get restart of your whole PC. Then we are going to next step, that will be install the latest AMD for our drive. So go to the AMD drivers and support page. You can see this one is, and here you can see we have various options. So here you need to click on GPU model. So find out what is the GPU model and visit that place. So once you go over there, and here you next option will be download the latest Adrian edition drive for your Windows version. Run the installer and follow the screen instructions. So the process is really simple. So in this way, enable or update DirectX 12 too, and you will solve the problem. I hope you loved this video and the video was informative for you. So if you don't, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.